Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, keeping good. Yes, I'm also well and fine. Let us also continue to keep good and fine. Let us stay safe. Don't mind for the unnecessary sound. I have put on my fan, and because it's really hot, I think temperature is 40 plus degrees Celsius. Yes, so I hope you don't mind the unnecessary sound. Yes, it's been a while I did not upload any videos because of this lockdown. Yes, in my first video I've told you that I'll be like showing you the beautiful places around here. That is the place where I am, Chhattisgarh, Bijapur. Yes, but everything is locked down. Even mine is getting locked down. Yes, but let us pray, let us hope everything will be in normal very soon. Yes. First of all, there are like many brothers and sisters of northeastern states and even of different states who are going back to their own native places, arranged by the government or by themselves, as the flight has opened yesterday. First of all, safe journey, stay safe, but there are still many who are unable to go back home. Yes, I hope the government also will help everyone to get back home safe and sound very soon. Yes, we have to be inside. We have to like stay away from public places and all many things. But there are some basic necessities that we have to. Otherwise, we cannot simply stay inside without eating, without fulfilling our daily needs, right? So as that I thought today, after many days of not uploading videos or not making videos, I thought I should make a video on how we are here in Chhattisgarh. There are, I think, probably around 100 people from just Manipur, from Manipur. There are many more, like from northeasterns maybe. I'm not sure of that, but I think there are more, like almost more than 90, almost 100 maybe. Yes, still desiring or like wishing to go back home, but still helpless. Our cooking LPG gas got over, so we have to refill or get a new one. So I thought I will show you the situation out here. Bijapur is a state in Chhattisgarh, and yes, it is a good thing that Bijapur is still a green zone. Not even one positive case yet in this district of Chhattisgarh. Yet I heard or I saw a video in which someone told this green zone is like a watermelon. It is green from outside, but it is red inside. Or so, yeah. I also would say the same thing. Green zone, and we cannot take lightly. If you have not subscribed still, why don't you subscribe and hit that bell icon and see more videos that I'll be uploading like on current situations and things that happens every day. Even if I cannot upload every day, I'll try to upload from every week or twice in a week. Okay, so please keep supporting by subscribing. So let us go out and get things. Let me show you the situation out there. Some dry fish. This Sampun Pachima. Sampun Pachima.
इसको कैसे करके बनाएंगे आप लोग?
इसको ना
बाजार में भी हम
क्या है ये सब मतलब गोभी जैसा ना वहाँ भी डालता है, नहीं तो फ्राई भी करता है।
अच्छा,
एक ही है ना बनाने की, अलग है क्या?
नहीं लेकिन ये थोड़ा छोटा है ना,
ये छोटा है ये,
थोड़ा कड़वा लगेगा ऐसे।
हाँ, थोड़ा उसका स्मेल आएगा ना, खुशबू आएगा ना।
अच्छा बोलता ना।
लॉकडाउन कैसा चल रहा है?
अब अच्छा हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है
अच्छा हो रहा है, बुरा हो रहा है, समझ नहीं आ रहा है ना?
समझ में नहीं आ रहा है।
बिल्कुल
थोड़ा थोड़ा आ रहा है।
अच्छी हालत खराब कर दिए अभी। हम लोग भी तो घर भी नहीं जा पा रहे हैं,
फंस गए हैं ना आप
यहाँ
लोग
भी तो
भी।
कुछ काम नहीं है।
वही तो फालतू
अभी
पड़े।
खाते रहना, कब तक खाएगा नहीं पता।
पैसा भी खत्म हो जाएगा।
पैसा तो खत्म हो जाएगा जल्दी। We have the makeshift here that they have placed, and we can get the daily necessities like vegetables and some fruits. But I don't know how long this will go. As I have told you before, Bijapur is still a green zone. I don't know how long it will remain green. It may turn into red as the case comes in. So let me get some mangoes from there. Này thi là này thi This is the main street. Vehicles are not there. Few vehicles coming out for their daily needs. Shops are open. Not all the shops. I think they have alternative days for running their shop. Somehow managed to get, so now I have to go and refill it. So today's work is done. So likewise, there are many who are facing even difficulties in getting this kind of basic necessities. So it is good that people outside are helped and in different ways, and big thumbs up to the government and the authorities. They're really doing well. Hope they'll continue to do well. Hope they will continue for the good of their own people.